Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get a notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video. So you can see this picture, you can see bathroom, you can see the beautiful lights and all, and the floor and the lights, the cupboard and all, and the wall you can see, and the mirrors very beautiful, and the tables and all, it's very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bathing area. It's looking very beautiful. This one also the floor, you can see the bathing area, you can see in the mirror, you can see very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful decoration of wall, floor and roof, beautiful small bathroom. And this one also you can see very beautiful, the mirrors and the small lights and all, and the cupboards and all, very beautiful. You can see looking very beautiful. And this one also very beautiful, the swimming pool area, you can see the beautiful swimming pool, the floor, you can see the roof, you can see very beautiful, looking very good. And this one also the roof, you can see the small lights on, and the mirror, very beautiful mirror and all, looking very good. And this one also very beautiful, you can see the roof lights and the floor lights, it is very beautiful. This one also very beautiful, you can see the roof lights, the floor, the table, the chair and all. And this one also very beautiful, you can see the lights and all, and the shower, you can see the floor, you can see very beautiful floor, and the mirrors you can see. And this one also you can see the floor, the small bathroom area you can see. And this one also you can see very beautiful. This one also the clothes you can see, and the roof, the lights, the beautiful lights, it is very beautiful. And this one also you can see very beautiful, you can see the uplights, the floor and the mirrors and all, very beautiful. And this one also you can see very beautiful, you can see the mirror, the beautiful big mirror you can see in the back. The lights also you can see very beautiful lights. And this one also the mirror, you can see the floor, you can see the beautiful floor and all, and the candles and also. I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you'll get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. Thank you for watching. Have a nice, take care and goodbye.